What you're about to see is more than a restoration. It's the resurrection of a machine thought to be lost forever. Deep within the earth, a forgotten relic waits. Every inch is a testament to the ravages of time. A challenge most would deem impossible, but for one man, this is the beginning of an astonishing journey. The first step, a careful dissection of the past. Each corroded piece holds a story of neglect. A meticulous process begins, unearthing the machine's hidden soul. With practiced hands, the deconstruction continues. The pedals, once symbols of motion, are now frozen in rust. Layer by layer, the decay is peeled back. But the damage runs deeper than expected. A critical fracture, forces required to separate what time has fused together. The components lay scattered, a puzzle of corrosion. The slow, arduous task of purification starts, stripping away the years of accumulated grime. Even the fuel tank bears the scars of its long slumber. Now, a more powerful method is needed for this transformative process. Under the abrasive blast, the true form begins to emerge. A glimpse of the raw metal, hidden for decades. Inside the sandblasting chamber, every component is meticulously renewed. Each gear, each spring, is stripped down to its essential self. Patience is key in this delicate dance of restoration. No detail is too small, no piece is left untouched. The relentless process erases the past completely. The main frame is subjected to the same intense purification. Finally, the metal is clean, a blank canvas for rebirth. Imperfections are smoothed over, preparing the surface for a new beginning. The first coat of primer is applied, a symbol of hope. The frame is now a pristine white, awaiting its new identity. Meanwhile, other parts undergo their own transformation. Where parts are broken, a new strength is forged with fire and steel. The fresh weld is inspected, ensuring a perfect bond. Every surface is ground and polished to perfection. And now, the color emerges. A stunning two-tone design. The artist's vision comes to life. Spray by careful spray. The wheel assembly begins. A symphony of shining spokes. Precision is paramount in this intricate task. Each spoke is tightened, creating a wheel of perfect balance. The finished wheel, to a testament to mechanical artistry. With the same care, the delicate inner tube is fitted, followed by the fresh, new rubber that will meet the road. The tire is seated, completing the wheel's rebirth. Now, the assembly of the drive system requires technical precision. The reborn chassis starts to take shape once more. The front suspension is carefully put together, piece by piece. Modern stopping power is integrated into the vintage frame. The pedal assembly, once rusted solid, is now fluid and new. The gleaming handlebars are installed the point of command. Even the smallest accessories are added with care. But the bike is only half the story. The heart of the machine awaits. The engine, just as neglected, is now ready for its own revival. Its inner workings are a complex mystery to be solved. The gears and mechanisms are carefully extracted. Soon, the entire engine is disassembled. Isul laid bare. Every component is inspected for wear and damage. A thorough examination to ensure future reliability. The reassembly begins. A precise and methodical process. Slowly, the engine's intricate core is pieced back together. The heart of the beast is almost ready to beat again. The final parts of the engine are fitted with expert hands. Fire and heat are used to purify and prepare the metal casings. Every surface is cleaned and polished to perfection. Now, the pistons are reinstalled, ready to create power. The ignition components are carefully aligned. The cylinder head is secured, enclosing the engine's power. Each bolt is tightened to precise specifications. The complex gearing of the transmission is reassembled. Final adjustments are made with meticulous attention. Piece by piece, the mechanical marvel is reborn. Attention now turns to another critical component, the exhaust. This won't be a restoration, but a custom creation. A special fabric is prepared, the first step in a unique process. It is carefully cut to shape, ready for molding. A custom mold is created from scratch. Meanwhile, transformers are deconstructed, their cores harvested. These scavenged parts will be given an entirely new purpose. They are reshaped and prepared for a new electrical life. A new kind of power is being crafted by hand. The revitalized engine is now complete and ready for installation. This new device requires precise engineering. The harvested transformer cores are integrated into a new assembly. A custom-built power unit begins to take shape. Everything is meticulously wired and secured. Attention turns back to metalwork. A new part is being born. A flat sheet of aluminum is painstakingly shaped by hand. With nothing but a hammer and skill, a complex curve is formed. The process is slow, demanding both patience and strength. The shape is refined, a work of functional sculpture. This custom piece will be a defining feature of the final build. The hammering continues, perfecting the contours. Excess material is trimmed away with precision. The pieces are then welded together, creating a seamless form. The welds are ground down, making the seam invisible. A smooth, flawless finish is achieved. Holes are drilled for mounting points and fixtures. The final welds secure the structural integrity of the new part. The final check of the handcrafted masterpiece. The surface is cleaned and prepared for its final finish. This custom housing will enclose the heart of the machine. The final connections are expertly soldered into place. The custom gas tank is now ready for the finishing touches. It's time to bring all the elements together. The machine is fueled, ready for its first breath. The engine roars to life, a triumphant sound of success. From a pile of rust, an astonishing masterpiece is born. A testament to vision, skill, and the art of transformation.
A very special thank you to the owner of the YouTube channel at the RESTORATO R7-15 for creating this wonderful video and allowing me to comment. If you enjoyed this narrative, please visit and support their channel at the link in the description below.